What's up, everyone? To get us started on today's video is an exciting tweet from Watcher Guru. He talks about just how the Bank of America says they expect a recession in 2023. In the midst of a potential recession, Americans may not see an end to higher than usual prices on essential goods and services in the coming year. In fact, the Mortgage Bankers Association, the MBA, believes inflation won't reach the target levels until 2024. We won't be at the Fed's inflation target until 2024. Mike Frantantoni, the MBA's chief economist and senior vice president, said at the Market Outlook session at the 2022 MBA Annual Conference in Nashville. As always, welcome to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP Army. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. In more interesting updates today, Jeremy Hogan shared on his Twitter feed legal briefs, the finale. The last briefs have been filed in the Ripple versus SEC case, and it's time for some major predictions. Who's going to win? Watch and find out. And also a heartfelt thank you for your support these last 2 years. We appreciate you.
So, in conclusion, the legal brief's official lawsuit prediction is a 50.12% chance of a Ripple win, a 29.88% chance the SEC wins with a possible Ripple loss but win in there, a 19.11% chance of a draw this round with a trial in 2023, and a 5 to 7% chance of something unexpected. In other words, there's a 110.6% chance of something happening shortly. And finally, when will we know the outcome of the case? My friend, attorney James Filan, says it will happen on or before March 31, 2023. And if that's what he says, that is what it is.
We've got more updates on the same. It comes from Kang Space. He shared a video of attorney Jeremy Hogan sharing his most educated stance on the outcomes of the Ripple versus SEC case. It seems like Jeremy gives us the last chance to buy Signal with a drum roll. That's pretty interesting. Don't you miss out.
4 possible outcomes to the Ripple litigation, and because I know you like preciseness, I have given each possibility an exact percentage chance of happening, and I will start with what I think is the most likely outcome, with exactly a 50.1% chance of occurring, and that outcome is, drumroll please, I think there is precisely a 49.56% chance that Ripple wins at summary judgment. A win for Ripple at summary judgment because XRP was not sold as a security. Complete Ripple victory, and I think there are 2 bases for this and possibly a 3rd basis as well. The first basis for why I think Ripple will win, and the most likely, is that I think Ripple will win because it had no legal obligation to purchasers of XRP after the sale occurred. No post-sale obligations. In other words, there can be no investment contract without an investment contract. Now, I want you to know that I've spoken with other lawyers who believe that Ripple may win on this issue on an appeal, but not at the trial court level because it's such a drastic ruling that it kind of smells like it's more appropriate for an appellate court to find this and not a lowly level trial judge.
Boris Allergant, the head of DeFi markets at Ripple, he's talking about adoption. I agree with his Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 comment. No flip of the switch, but rather lots of steps, versions to get there. Allergant also believes that creating a killer app could turn out to be a significant game changer in the quest for DeFi adoption. According to him, the app is the only thing left, depriving the DeFi industry of a mainstream level of adoption. He expressed this opinion while speaking during a panel at the ongoing Blockchain Futurist Conference in Toronto, Canada. The 2-day conference, which started yesterday, is Toronto's biggest annual blockchain event and will end today.
My name is Boris Allergant. I'm the head of DeFi markets at Ripple. Ripple is a software company that builds on top of the XRP ledger, which is a permissionless, decentralized blockchain. Been around for almost 10 years. Our flagship product is RippleNet, processes about $15 billion a year of payment flows on behalf of institutions. We're really trying to remove the frictions associated with cross-border payments. I do a lot of research and I look at it. What's it going to take for an institution to start using DeFi? Well, one, I think there's got to be regulation around it, right? They have to be comfortable from a regulatory perspective. Uniswap might be the most liquid venue right now, but institutions, traditional finance, highly regulated institutions, have trouble getting comfortable trading on a Uniswap. Why? Well, AML KYC concerns, right? That's a real problem in the space. Two, I think also the UX, right, isn't the friendliest. So institutional adoption is really important to bringing DeFi to the masses. And I think we need to start looking at decentralized finance as a technology, right? As a technology that creates efficiencies that will lower costs. A lot of the rise of DeFi in 2021, right, in DeFi summer was really led by speculation. We had record level zero interest rates, right? And people were just chasing yield. And that had led to a lot of activity and growth in DeFi. With this bear market, people are going to be focused on building and looking at DeFi as a technological stack that will increase efficiencies. In the end, right, as a user, you don't really care if your trade goes through a DEX or a centralized exchange. All you care is that it's fast, cheap, and it's safe. And so, we're all talking about Web3 and how we're going to move to Web3, and the shift from Web2 to Web3 is just flicking a switch. It's really not like that. It's going to be more gradual. We need to get to Web 2.1, Web 2.2, Web 2.5 before we can even get to Web 3.
Guys, Ripple and XRP, BEP20, are available for staking. Yep, you heard that right. And that's not all. 24 words of recovery, more than 200 tokens, and cryptocurrencies in 9 networks. Where, you ask? RSTAKING is the perfect platform for anyone who doesn't like the SEC or doesn't want the government up in their business. This platform offers complete privacy to its users. And here's the kicker. There's no withdrawal limit. Fixed 25% APR per year on all tokens and crypto coins. The platform also offers a free $5 to every new user. The bonus is credited with RHIN tokens. In addition, RHIN token withdrawal will be possible in 2023. Right now, RHIN token is available for staking only. All rewards are only credited in BUSD or Tether USDT. Rewards will accrue every 3 hours. And the best of all, staking can be closed by yourself at any time. Check this out, guys. And now, as we wind down on today's video, Digital Asset Investor shared his opinion that he believes the Bitcoin maxes seem to be raging over XRP lately. Kramer calls it a con. Hoskinson seems scared that he's next and even mentions Bitcoin and Ethereum. Is XRP about to be the only digital asset with clarity? Anyone seen those Hinman documents? Kendra Hill? Listen to this video of Charles Hoskinson, where he said that he had heard rumors that a 2-year-long battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission could be over on December 15th. Hoskinson claims that the outcome of the closely watched legal case could have catastrophic implications for the industry.
Oh, this one right, Charles, question for you. Yeah, Cardano's data is ruled as security by the SEC. Well, the SEC can assert it, but then they'd have to sue over it. And there'd be a long litigation process the foundation would have to fight and go through. Regulation's regulation. It's a hypothetical. And there's nothing in the history of Cardano that feels security-like. From the beginning to where it's at today, to the fact that the network is fully decentralized and so forth, I would believe that then Ethereum and Bitcoin would also be securities, and they'd be in a bigger debacle. And this problem with regulations through enforcement, there's not much you can do. Just any given Sunday, it's whoever the regulator decides to pick, and then there's a big fight. $100 million is spent. It's brutal and vicious, and a lot of hard feelings, and sometimes people win, sometimes people don't. I've heard rumors that the Ripple case will be settled December 15th, and we'll just see. And that could have catastrophic implications for the industry, one way or the other. But you just keep moving forward.
As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can let us know always what you think in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. Thank you so much for watching. Couldn't be here without you. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on that subscribe button below. And be sure to turn on notifications. That way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.